Hello, friends. When you are planning to start an online store, WordPress with WooCommerce gives all great options. In this video, we are going to set up an e-commerce website for beauty and cosmetic shop. And these are the layouts that you can target with the theme that we are going to use at overview. So we have Hara in this video, and this is a dedicated theme for beauty and cosmetic shop. So online store for beauty and cosmetic products simply. It has been developed by Theme Bay, and we have seen some good themes from this house. They are elite author, and theme can be bought at themeforest.net. Link has been given in the video description. But yes, before you take a buying decision for this theme or any other theme, in fact, you need to watch the complete video so that you may understand what are the features, what are the functionalities that you can have at your online store website, and how easy it is really to customize and use for further activities. So there are hundreds of themes here on the WP Themes channel on this website as well. So all the links has been given in the video description. You can choose and compare among hundreds of themes and plug in here. All the services like business solutions and ready packages are also here. You can explore simply, right? So we have Hera here, and it has got very good number of sales as of now, and the users of this theme are also rating it very good. So let us proceed to create a demo site using Hera, and we will discuss rest of the things during the video. And don't skip any part, because selecting a perfect theme is really very important when you are targeting a successful website. Hera gives multiple pre-made layouts, so 10 I can see, and there are many in fact. So you have all these choices, and I'm ready with this core and fresh installation of WordPress, and I'm using the cPanel based hosting plan. So if you have yet not taken the hosting or the domain as well, you can simply go to the WP Themes website and you'll get all the options there. And when you'll get the theme pack, in the theme pack you will get all the necessary elements that you may need for installing and starting your website. Theme pack, the main theme, and the child theme have been included. Sample data, header, pages, Revolution Slider, widgets, and all. And further, we have some plugins like Revolution Slider and WooCommerce Product Filter. It is all in the theme pack. So we are going to use this hara.zip file for our initial installation purpose, and we can simply proceed the theme installation here in the appearance section. So just go to the appearance, add new theme, choose the installable theme file hara.zip that can be found under the theme directory hara.zip, and simply click on install now. Depending upon your host capacity, it will take a while, but it is a very optimized lightweight WordPress theme. This is the main target, because we are willing to create a successful website, and when you are using a lightweight WordPress theme or lightweight website, you are going to win the digital race, because the website is going to be fast, right? So we are here, and the theme got installed within seconds, and we can check the details here. I'm using 1.2.18. So it is always important to get the latest version that you can get at themeforest.net purchase. When you make a purchase, you'll get always the updated version. Only themeforest.net is the place where you can buy this theme. So it is very important. Don't buy uh, here and there, and just themeforest.net is the correct place where you can purchase this theme, and you have to simply follow the video description link for going on the correct theme package, right? So we can activate here, and upon activation we have this alert that we need to install certain plugins in order to get the complete functionalities. I'm selecting all and will select install. So I'll discuss the plugins what had been included, but let us first complete the installation process. All good green marks are here, simply indicating that all the plugins, listed plugins, have been successfully installed without any trouble, without any error. It is a very important thing that when you are installing plugin, you should not interact with any error, and plugins along with theme of course should be installed properly. And now I will come back to the plugin installer screen, and this time I'm going to activate all the installed plugins. This is going to happen in a single click again. It is very simple process. I even don't need to show you all these things, but considering the novice user on this channel, I am showing each and every step so that you may understand the basic process, the fundamentals, and even the customization options that you are going to get on your live website. So we can come back to the dashboard, and first of all I'll show you the list of plugins that had been installed and activated and the purpose of plugin very uh, fast. So CMB2 is here. So the meta boxes can be created using CMB2. Elementor is the page builder that has been used for, and it is very popularly known page builder. Husky is the product filter for WooCommerce. So it enables a filtration option on your store. MailChimp for email subscription. Redux is the framework that has been used with the Elementor. That is a very good technical combination. Slider Revolution for hero images when you are editing or handling the slider part. So the Slider Revolution is the area. Variation swatches for adding some variations at the store. WooCommerce itself is e-commerce engine. This plugin is not for you. WP Forms Lite is included. The WP Theme Bay Core. This is the core plugin from the theme developer itself. And YATH WooCommerce is this list feature for your e-commerce store. So all is successfully installed. All plugins are active. All are in latest versions. So it is very important. Again, you have to install the latest version. That happens automatically, but you have to keep updating the plugins when it comes as updates. Right, so there are some new navigations, but what is next we are going to do with this installation? I'll show you the website first, how it looks. So this is the basic look, and it don't have any demo website. As I shown, we have 10 layouts that we can select as our target website. All are very intuitive, to the point, simple, clean, and clear. So you have a very good and numerous choices that you can target for your website, and you can choose any of these layouts. So for this, we need to import the demo content. Okay, so we will proceed for importing the demo. So theme setup is the option that can be accessed in the appearance area, and here is the theme setup wizard. So we can start here, and we can even install the child theme if you are planning to edit the code level. However, it can be skipped. And next is the demo part, which is very important. So you can watch the demo here by clicking. I have already shown you. So you can select which demo you are targeting for your website. So 10 and even RTL options are here. I am going with the default one. So you have all the choices, and the content, widgets, Redux, and after import, all things are selected by default. So we can simply click on import, and here starts the demo content import process, which is going to take time. Even it may take up to 5-10 minutes depending upon host, the internet speed, and all such dependent factors. You have to show your patience here and don't disturb the process and steps. It is going at its own, and the progress bar is showing the percentage. What you can do meanwhile, uh, either you can open the dashboard in another tab, and you can check when you are getting the media items. It means the demo import is running very fine and you have nothing to do while the process is ongoing. Yes, we can explore the internal things what we are going to target. So this is category filtration. This is search bar, which is very important for e-commerce website. Let us assume you are choosing this layout, and there are some main products that you can say, some uh, product grid area, so product push and the product grid again. So randomly, when we are checking the product listing page, it is showing all the basic things, the add to cart options, binary options, and the payment options, and the related products options, some description as well. So it is a complete e-commerce engine. So you can simply launch your website by updating all such information, and the design and layout is very productive, and it is going to help in generating good number of sales, of course. So you might be thinking you can start a business and where you can uh, get the products to sell. So it is a very good and big idea. So you can source the product from other sources and you can start your own uh, online store, and you can even rebrand. So there are multiple business activities that you can do nowadays with all digital fronts. So it is very good to start a digital business, and I'm sure when you are having a digital business or digital asset, you are going to earn a sufficient or good amount, we can say, edge in terms of business, or it can be a very good business source for you as well. So these are layouts, and now you can check back. Mm, so it should be increasing. Yes, it is going very fast. 74 media items during our discussion, and the demo import process is now at 18%. So we have to wait further. So you are a regular visitor of the channel, so you can explore the WP Themes website where you can choose hundreds of themes. You can join the iCreate program once you purchase the theme through the video description link, where you can get all the supports and all the necessary uh, activities that is required for launching your website through a mentorship program, and it is again going to be free. So this is a very interactive program. I'm sure you are aware about this iCreate program for WordPress website. And in addition to this, if you are participating in a quiz that you'll get during the video, so YouTube gives quiz options as well. So there will be some quiz questions during the video. One or two quiz can be there, and you are participating on the quiz, let us know, and you'll definitely get additional things for your website. That can be the design elements, that can be performance plugins, or whatever required for your live website. So we are going to provide you. So just take a chance and try your luck. When you are working on the installation part or watching the video, you can also participate in the quiz during the video. And okay, so this screen says all done, have fun, and all this has been completed successfully. So we can view our website, and it is here. The installation remains so smooth as you've seen, and my website is ready. I'm ready to go with the content, and demo one was selected, and it is here completely. So you can see all steps remained smooth, successful, and I got the complete website, and the demo website is absolutely ready to put the original content. Now I'll take you to the backend very quickly to show you how you can proceed for customization. First of all, Elementor, this is page builder, and under comments area, you can handle the comments. Theme web blocks, so get plugins are some plugins like additional features. So this is for variation swatches, in fact, so you can change the settings if required. However, it is not required, all had been set. Theme web blocks are the things where you can use the customized block that is especially applicable for the theme and the pages using the short codes. It has also been used, and you can create new block as well, but existing blocks can be edited here. Either you can go with the Elementor edit option, or you can directly use the block. So it has been used in the theme itself, I mean layout itself. Next is the WooCommerce and its products. So you can upload your products. Either you can change all the existing products with your details, and it is very simple to upload the products. So you can take a reference from existing one. You can write the product name, product images can be uploaded. You can write the SKU, inventory idea. If you it is a variable product, you can create variations, and simply it is going to be very easy for you. You can update the regular price and all. So like shipping variable product is here, so you can update the price in variations, like you can update the price here like regular price and the sale price and all. So I am sure you can do all these things at your own, and don't hesitate in asking any question at iCreate program or in writing the comments of this video. So we are going to help you all around, so don't worry. So it is very easy, simple process. Further, we have the payment settings analytics as in default WordPress setups. Hera options are actually the theme options that I wish to show you. So this is the theme panel, we can simply say, where you can set most of the basic things like general, like enable config, image size, and AJAX drop-down options. Header options are here. You can choose header, footer, mobile, navigations, and the menu in the mobile, the style editors, blog, the social share, and the performance optimization options, CSS, and all. All basic setups can be done here. Further, we have YRTS settings. So this is again for wish list. So you can go for setup. However, it has been all well integrated with the layout and the theme. So just in case if you need any edit, it is here. Next is the slider evolution, which can be a major concern. So for editing the main slider hero area, so you have to go in the slider evolution section where you can edit the slider part. What you have to keep in mind, you just need to upload the same dimension of image or same length of text content so that you may maintain the design integrity of the website. And when you are changing the image, don't miss to optimize the file size. It is very important for the speed perspectives, right? So we can come back, and when you are new to WordPress and not sure how to edit the sliders, make a duplicate using this duplicate before you start at the editing. Now it comes to how to edit the front end content. So it is very simple. When you are using Elementor, you can simply load the page that you are willing to edit and simply click on edit with Elementor option or hover on the area that part you want to edit. So edit with Elementor option will give you full access on the content for editing purpose, and editing with Elementor is more than simple. Okay, so this is here area that you can edit the slider and the revolution slider. Rest part can be easily edited using the pencil icons, and these are the parts that you can edit, right? So all will be loaded in the left panel, and you can edit the things like data is being pulled from the WooCommerce load. So you can all check and edit as required, and you can even use the navigator for reaching on the respected section. It is very simple again. So you can launch your website in no time. I am sure you will be able to do this at your own, and you can launch your website. You can start selling online, uh, or especially this website is for beauty and cosmetic products. There are many options, like when you are planning to sell anything online, WooCommerce give you all the functionalities and features, and we have collected hundreds of themes here on the WP Themes channel. So I'm sure you are a visitor, regular visitor and subscriber as well. If not, please subscribe the channel, and if you like the video, if it help you, also like and share with your friends. It will definitely help you. Uh, Help us, in fact. So right, let us meet in the next video, and I'm bringing more features, more functionalities, more resources for your dream website. Till then, goodbye, keep watching, thank you.